In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral AI thumbnails. So the platform that we're going to use is novatci. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here we're going to use the following configuration in the image section. We're going to use the low quality because that way we can do many thumbnails for a really low price. And now here we need to put the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And here where it says title, we have to write the title of our video. And here where it says text overlay is the text that you want to be in the thumbnail. For example, here it was history goal. So let's put this text. Now in reference image, we're going to erase the no. And now we have to click in reference and upload an image of our video. In this case, it's about creating AI realistic avatars. So I'm going to upload these two images. And now let's click here. Now we have to click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality of all the thumbnails are really good. So if you want to try this platform to do thumbnails like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can try the platform for just $1. This if you are a new user. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.